How to build your own template in Squarespace. So to do that, you can actually create a new website or scroll up onto the template library of Squarespace. Let's head over and create a new website using this. And after that, this should be able to open in here the templates that are available. Now, you can also utilize the Blueprint AI in order to make things easier for you. So for example, let's make a health website and click on next. You can choose in here what you want to do with that. So for this case, I'll just showcase and click on next. And in here, you can choose a template or you can use Blueprint AI. Now, since we want to build our own template, we need to head over and use Blueprint AI for this. Then after that, this will set things up for us. So on this, we can actually just process or create a new template using this and just wait for this right there. From in there, you can just customize in here. For example, let's make this template number 1 first. Just in here the brand personality that you wish to use. Let's choose innovative and click on next. And after that, this will load the AI generated content that is only for us. You can customize your template by adding specific sections that you wish to have. And then from in there, you can add some sections, forms, social, and the like. Click on next once you're done with this. And from in there, you can head over and see in here the pages that you can add. Click on next in order to done that. And then choosing here the actual colors that you wish to use. Let's choose in here this and click on next. And after that, choosing here the font and click on finish. Once you have finished this will gather all the pages and then creating here this template for us. And if you wish to save the template, just click onto these 3 dots and then duplicate this website as a template that you can actually use. So that's how you build your own template in Squarespace. Hope we helped.